Hello friends, I wanted to share 1 Peter 1:7 with you, and I'm going to read it over here. These trials will show that your faith is genuine. It is being tested as fire tests and purifies gold, though your faith is far more precious than mere gold. So when your faith remains strong through many trials, it will bring you much praise and glory and honor on the day when Jesus Christ is revealed to the whole world. The reality is we're not living to get what we want in our lives right now. We're living in a way that's going to bring glory to Jesus in eternity. Try to keep your life in that perspective. I know it's hard for me sometimes. You will go through trials. Life will be hard. And it's worth holding on. It's worth persevering. It's worth being strong. Remember who you're doing it for.